Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me life update. So pretty much I'm just going to update you on my life. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'll have all the products listed down below. You're going to see me go from a hot mess to this. I just wanted to update you guys, and I wanted to show you my new setting, and I'll explain everything in the video. While you're here, you can go ahead and hit that like down below. It'll really help me out, as well as subscribe. And you can also follow me on my Instagram, which will be listed down in the description, as well as somewhere up here. If you guys want to see this look and also hear about what I've been up to lately, just keep watching. I look crazy right now. I just woke up and I just wanted to do like a get ready with me. Even though I'm really not going anywhere, I'm kind of just doing this because I have not filmed in so long, and I finally have like a nice filming space here, which I will get into where I'm at and all that. I swear, like, my brows grow in like in a minute. Like, I just tweezed them and they're already growing back like crazy. Sorry, I just don't want to get into my life update until I do my brows, because I need the ultimate focus, just like when I need to focus when I'm doing my eyeliner. So before filling in my brows, I like to actually carve them out. Oh, and for the concealer I'm using, it's the Makeup Revolution concealer, the Conceal and Define. It's really nice, I really like it. And I'm just blending the concealer away with my finger. Okay, so that brow's done. I'm actually gonna do this one off camera just because it took me forever to do this one. I don't want to make this video too freaking long. So I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll be right back. I'm just doing the same technique, same product, same everything. And we're gonna get into the eyeshadow gig. It's gonna be very simple because like I said, I'm not doing anything today, but I will be right back. But I'm just gonna use the Makeup Revolution concealer just all over my eyeball and get ready for this eyeshadow gig. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for. I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill palette, which I love so much. I haven't used it in so long. I don't know if I want to go for like a fallish look, like a very vibrant look. I have no idea what I want. So I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush to blend the eyeshadow, primer, the concealer out. Kind of want to start using the MAC Painterly Paint Pot again. I used to use it all the time and then I stopped. But I kind of want to use it again because I feel like it really was really great. It was thick, but she was good. So I think I'm going to go pick that up. I'm really not going to tell you guys what I'm using because this is a get ready with me. It's not really a makeup tutorial, so you guys can just figure it out. I'm sorry, but I just don't want to make this video like a mess. So my life has been crazy, guys. I actually, since you last saw me, I pretty much made a whole change in my life, which is nuts, but it happened so quickly. So a few weeks ago, I think the last video I uploaded was the Wet n Wild, like full face using Wet n Wild makeup, which was early October, I think I uploaded. And I think the week before that video was uploaded, I actually went to visit Austin, Texas. So we, you know, visited Austin and we really liked it. We didn't get to do too much because it was like a really short trip, but it was really nice and the weather was not in our favor while we were there. But you know, we really liked it, and it turned out that my boyfriend ended up getting a job interview in Austin while we were there. So that's what he did for like a morning while we were there. And yeah, so we went about our business. We came, you know, we went back to Florida, and we were like, okay, like, yeah, that's definitely a potential place that could be our future home. And a week later, my boyfriend got the job offer from the place he had interviewed in Austin, Texas. So they kind of wanted a decision within, like, I don't know, 2 days or something. I don't remember exactly how long they like gave him to decide, because it was a position that they wanted to fill really quickly, and it was a great job opportunity. But it was, since they wanted him to start so fast, they wanted him to start within 2 weeks of getting that call. And we were like, oh my god, like, we did want to move, but we were expecting it to be in January, because we wanted to just have the holidays at home, and then after the holidays we thought, you know, okay, then we'll move in like January, February-ish. And that was our plan. And we both were like, had to decide that day what we wanted to do, if we wanted to move, if he should take the job. And it wasn't just taking the job, it was more like you're moving your whole life somewhere new. And we had to decide that minute, well, that day. So it was really fast, it was quick. We had to decide, and we pretty much decided within that day that we did want to do it. We were like, you know, kind of like you only live once kind of thing, and we should experience living somewhere else at least for a little while. We didn't know if it was going to be permanent or not. Like, we still don't. I mean, no one really knows, but we were just like, you know, you only live once, and it's important to like experience these things and live out of like your comfort zone, and kind of like leave behind what you're used to for even a little while, so you can just grow. So we pretty much decided really quickly that that's what we wanted to do, and we had to find a place to live. I had to transfer from my job to the one in Austin. Like, I had to do all that, and it was pretty crazy to say the least. We had to do all that in 2 weeks, which is why I wasn't able to film, because it wasn't like we were planning this for months leading up to it, so I had time to get everything settled. We literally had 2 weeks to find somewhere that would ship my car, find a way to ship our stuff, find flights, like packing up our things, telling our friends and family. Like, literally it was crazy, like making time to see them before we left. So that's what we were doing, which is why I couldn't film, because I really had no time to, and I had to like pack up my makeup, pack up my room, and like, I don't know, it was nuts. Like, you guys don't understand how much goes into moving, let alone moving to a completely new state. It's crazy and a lot harder than I anticipated it to be. Oh, this is really pretty. So yeah, leading up to what the main purpose of my life is that I actually, yeah, I moved and I am living in Austin, Texas now, which is crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much the tea with my life. So I'm actually gonna go do my eyeliner off camera, and I'll be right back and we'll continue chatting. So, okay, so I just did my eyeliner and my lashes off camera. I honestly have like no lashes right now. I don't know, they're all very intense. These are the most like natural, comfortable ones I have, but the eye makeup looks good. So now we're gonna move on to skin. For skin, it's been very, very cold here. So I'm gonna use some hydrating primer, and yeah, so I'm gonna take my, actually I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo liquid highlighter in the shade Gilded Glow. I'm gonna use this as a primer because I need to glow. But yeah, so now I'm in my new apartment in Texas. I have been here since Halloween. I don't know if I said that already. That's the day I moved here. So like a couple weeks ago. And I've been here and I really like it. It's definitely 100% different than what I'm used to. South Florida is way different. Like, literally it's like day and night. with the difference. I'm trying to think what foundation I want to use right now. I want to use this one, the Makeup Revolution, but it's so dark on me. I guess I'll make it work because I really like it. And it is very full coverage. So that's like what my life has been like. So I'm here in Texas, I'm getting used to it. Like I was saying, it's like day and night from South Florida. South Florida, if you're familiar with it, it's very much like a lot of older people. It's like known, Florida in general is known as like a retirement stage. Like everyone goes there to retire. But it's true, it's like a bunch of older people. It's fun and it's beautiful, but it's really different. And here it's like I don't see anyone older than probably 35. I really don't. And everyone here is like my age. Okay, so my foundation is all done and it's really nice. It's just darker. Like I said, you can tell it's darker, but whatever. So yeah, so that's basically the difference. Like South Florida is very much so like retirement state. After living there my whole life, I just wanted something new. And the food is 100 times better here too. And I'm a big food person, so that was important. But yeah, that's my life. That's like my life update. I've been getting my apartment together. This is my room and it's not 100% finished, but it's pretty much good for right now. I have like my bed frame, my dresser, my mirror, a little bit of decorations. I still want to decorate it a bit more, but for the most part, it looks great. It's like just what I envisioned it to be. So this is the only room, this and my kitchen, that I have done. My living room is, I don't have couches yet. They should be here tomorrow. Once I get my couches in my dining room and stuff, I'm gonna, and like have it at least a little bit decorated, I'm gonna do an apartment tour, which should be cute. Especially for the holiday season, I get to decorate for like Christmas and stuff, which is awesome. But I'm gonna do one soon. I'm just waiting till I get a few more things in and decorate it at least a little bit how I want it. So far this past week, I've basically just been like adjusting to the change. One of the changes being the weather. Like it's crazy. Texas is very hot, obviously, it's like Texas, but right now it's freezing. Texas like does feel like every season. So right now it's so cold, and in Florida it's hot all year round. Like there's no seasons in South Florida, like it's just hot all the time. So it's been really cold this past week and I'm not used to it, like to the point that I literally need clothes for the winter because I don't have any. Like all I have is like shorts, flip-flops, open-toed shoes, really thin jackets, like ridiculously thin that is not gonna keep me warm at all. So like I need to do like, I'm gonna probably do like a haul, like a fall haul on my channel, because I never had to do that. Like it was what I had, it worked for me all year round. All I needed was maybe a light sweater, but now I need some coats because it's cold outside. So I'm probably gonna do a haul soon, but yeah, getting used to driving here is a change. Finding out where like everything is, like my Target, like where's my closest Target now, finding like my nearest Ulta, finding, you know, where am I gonna shop for food. There's no Publix here, so that's a major change. And yeah, so just little things like that you don't ever think about is becoming something that I'm like, okay, I need to like get in the rhythm of things and find out where like the basic, you know, my basic stops are gonna be and stuff. So basically just getting my apartment together has been very difficult too, because you want to buy like the right things at a good price, especially because we're on a budget. We've just been dealing with that lately, but it's been really good. I'm very happy. We have really not had a chance to like really explore Austin or like go out at night or anything like that because we've just been busy, but I'm really excited because it seems like a really cool city. Definitely a city that is growing a lot, and I'm excited to be here, and we'll see how, you know, this year goes and see what the future holds. It's very exciting. Like, I'm always on and off with YouTube, and I should really be more consistent. I feel like now I can be, because I have my own space and I'm by myself in my own apartment because my boyfriend works during the day. So it's really, I have an open space. I can, right now I don't know if I'm gonna, like, you know, film in my room. Right now I'm filming because it's the only one that's done with like a nice background. My living room's a hot mess, and I don't have anything. Like I said, my couches don't even get here till tomorrow. But I don't know, I kind of like this setup. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here, but we'll see. But for right now, this is where I'll film. But I'm glad I'm back, because this is like a real stress reliever for me. I love doing YouTube just because it's like my hobby, and it's one thing that I really love to do. It takes my mind from like the stress or work or this or that. It's really something that I love to do. Now I'm taking my Morphe setting spray to just set everything, and then I'm gonna do my lower lashes. And then I'm gonna grab the same shade I used in my crease, like to deepen it, like that plum red shade, and put it on under. So I'm just gonna coat my lower lashes, and then we'll be all done. I'm gonna actually go do my hair, and then we'll be all done, because you guys know I like to do my hair and finish my lips when I'm like put together. Okay, so this is it, but I'm gonna go do my hair, and I'll be right back in a little bit to close this video out. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I went ahead and did Fresh Brew by MAC on my lips. It's a lipstick, and I did the Milani Gloss and Bare on top, because I've been really feeling the glossy look, so I've been liking that more for myself. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to quickly come on here and update you guys on my life and what's been happening. And now you guys know everything. So, and I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and sticking with me, even though I was in a little bit of a hiatus the past few weeks. But I appreciate it, and thank you guys so much. So I will catch you guys next time.